Hello my dear students, welcome to your GK class. Today we will learn seasons. The name of this page or this chapter is Discovering Seasons. Children, there are mainly 4 seasons in our country. We observe mainly 4 seasons in our country. There are 5 to 6 seasons, but mainly 4 seasons. Like summer, autumn, winter and spring. We will learn in this video about these 4 seasons, that is autumn, spring, summer and winter. Let us learn. You can see the different photos of showing you spring season and summer season. Next is autumn and winter season. Spring. The season spring, it is very colorful. In India, the spring season starts from February and lasts till the mid of April. This season starts from February and ends at the middle of April. It is the season of fragrance, beauty, fresh leaves and flowers. You can see everywhere new flowers, new tree, new plants, new leaves, fresh leaves will come. During the spring season, weather becomes pleasant and the days grow longer. Pleasant means very nice weather. You feel very happy going to your parks and everywhere. Next is summer season. Summer season arrives between the month of May and June. For children, it is the season of vacation. Children, we all have summer vacations. Ice cream and mangoes. This is the season we just experienced. It is mangoes, favorite fruit of many. People wear lighter and cooler clothes in the summer, in the season due to heat. Yes, we wear light and cool cotton clothes maximum in this season to keep us cool. Summer is the hottest but also the most loved season. It is the hottest. Yes, we sweat a lot. We don't feel like going out for more time. Little time we can go, but not for a long duration. So we enjoy it. Even though it is the hottest season, it is the season of vacations. So we enjoy our summer days. One more season that comes, which we have not the 4 in, it doesn't come in the 4 main seasons. It is in between the summer and the autumn season. This is the rainy season which we are going to experience, the monsoon or the rainy season. This is also one of the most favorite season of everyone. In India, rainy season starts in the month of July and ends in September. We are having now July month. So children, it is the season when rain can come suddenly and last for long hours. Rain can appear anytime. Maybe just now it is sunny day and just now it will start raining. Children love to play in rain. I hope you all do love to play in rain, even though your parents say no, but still you want to go. So this is also a very interesting one. Next is the autumn season. Autumn season, as you can see in this picture, the trees are shedding their leaves. Autumn season in India usually lasts between September and October. Autumn is the season after the rainy season and before the pre-winter season. This is also a season which is not in 4 main seasons, but it also exists. It is also there. During this season, trees shed their leaves. Yes, you can see the tree is shedding the yellow leaves. The leaves become yellow and they shed their leaves. It means leaves fall down. It leaves गिरता है पेड़ से. Winter season. We stay in West Bengal, so we don't experience snowfall, but still there is. Winter season is the coldest season. It begins from December. Winter season begins from December and stays till February. It is the coldest season in India. And this is a season we enjoy going to picnic. Yes, we all go for picnic with our family and our friends. Children, you all love to go to picnic. The season we go to picnic is the winter season. Now you have to tell me, seeing these pictures, which season do they belong to? Children, trees are shedding the leaves. Which season is this? This is the autumn season. Very good. Next one, see this picture. You can see sunglasses and watermelon. Which season is this? This is the summer season. Very good. Those who have guessed the right answer, very good. Next one is this snowman, woolen clothes, hot tea or coffee, and skating they are doing. In this game, people, from the higher level they come down with this and they balance themselves with the stick. So this is a winter season. Next, children, you can see the season where you can see butterfly, flowers, new grass. What is this? This is the spring season. Very good, those who have guessed the answer correctly. That means you have understood the video. Children, thank you for watching. God bless all of you. I hope the seasons, the 4 main seasons you will remember, and also the rainy season you won't forget.